Hey guys, it's Blake Holbrooks with MarineMax on Lake Wylie. Today we're out here on the water checking out this brand new 2026 Harris Cruiser 230. This is the Heritage Edition. We got it in that Ebony Metallic fence color with the nice gray interior. You guys climb aboard and let's check this thing out. All right guys, welcome aboard the Heritage Edition here. So we're starting up here in the bow. This is the 23-foot model. So just to show you how spacious it is, you've got a nice big lounger on the port side and an even larger one over there on the starboard side. Up here, you've got two cup holders on either side, and in between both of those, you've got a USB plug-in as well as a USB-C. So you can keep all your devices charged while you're out on the water. And then underneath each and every one of these seats is a nice big spacious storage compartment. Make our way back just a bit. I'm going to show you the in-floor storage. This is a pretty rare option on the Cruiser, so it's nice to know that's going to be on all the Heritage Editions. Great spot to put your cover, poles, skis, any kind of toys you're going to have out on the water with you. It's going to fit in that nice big locker there. You do have some dedicated cover storage over here, right behind your fence. And then as I make my way into the cockpit, you'll notice we do have the dual captain's chairs. Both of these are going to be full swivel reclining with armrests. And you'll notice that I'm getting tons of shade from this Power Bimini that you have on board here. So you just press the button on the dash and this is going to fold right down. Speaking of the dash, we'll take a quick look at the helm. This boat does have the upgraded Wetsounds stereo system. Super nice to have on board. Then you got those beautiful Harris gauges with a digital smart gauge. And then a couple of switches over here to the side next to your wireless phone charger. Let's take a moment to highlight your lounger that you have in the back here. It is 3 positions, so you can face forward like this, bring it here to face aft, or you can lay it all the way flat to have a huge sun tanning pad or a nice place to lay out while you're out on the water. This boat does have the safety rail, so you'll have the ability to ride facing aft while you're underway as long as you have your chains closed up. And in addition to that, having that ability, you got a nice spot to put your big quick release fenders that this boat will have on board. Also got a tow bar right in front of your Mercury 150, so you're able to pull a skier, a tuber, be able to have tons of fun out there on the water. Back here in the back, you have a built-in cooler. All right, so that is fully insulated with a drain, so you can load up your ice and drinks on there. You don't have to take up space on board with an extra cooler. When at the end of the day, you just pop that drain, it'll all come out straight to the bottom of the boat. You do have more USB plug-ins back here, so a ton of space to charge your devices, and lots of cup holders in the back as well. If you guys have any questions about this boat or anything else we have to offer here at MarineMax, you can give us a call at 803-831-2101. I'll be happy to help you out. Once again, my name is Blake Holbrooks.